Changing the email link to your PlayStation account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information quickly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app. Enter your current email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the option labeled Account Management or Profile in the menu. Step 3. Select email address. In the account settings, find the section for personal information. Click on the option to change or update your email address. Step 4. Verify your identity. To ensure security, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could involve entering your password again or receiving a verification code via your current email or phone number. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, input your new email address. Make sure to double check for any typos, then save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to finalize the update. After completing these steps, your PlayStation account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, refer to the PlayStation support page for further assistance.